Okay, so welcome back to Goodman. These coins and banknotes, and today we have a $2 Australian coin from 1989. So we've done the 1988 years ago. So it's still going around. If you flip this over, this has HH, horse turn, the initials, and there's still people pumping this out as being rare. But we're going to disprove that. And just like the 1988, if you get one of these coins in circulation, you're going to come across them quite readily. But the mintage of this one 1988, is about 5 times the mintage of this one. So let's have a look and see if this coin is worth keeping, because as you can see, it's well circulated. So here on Guma, these coins and banknotes, I like to disprove crap about stuff that's not real. So here we have some items being sold. This one says rare, 9,800. This one, error. No, it's a corroded coin. It's post-risk damage. If you learn about the minting process, you would notice. HH, so you still got people trying to rip people off, and all of these are well circulated coins. You got 1988. So basically, is this a rare coin? Then we go to, here we are on Numister. So we're looking at a $2 coin that had the Raphael Makhlouf effigy of Queen Elizabeth II, and this was the earliest $2 coin that issued in 1988. Before that, it was a banknote, so it's 6.6 grams, 20.5 millimeters, and it's aluminium bronze, so there's no gold in it at all. Although they have issued some coins with gold, but they're commemorative ones. 3.2 millimeters, so it's quite a thick coin. Issued 20th of June 1988. So if we look here, you got HH, horse turn. And he has designed quite a few coins. So the 20-cent coin from 1995, the ram's head 50 cent, but this was taken off the shilling, and this was just the logo of the United Nations. So it's not really his imagination, in which this one is. So you got barbed wire from Murray Dunlop, who was jailed by the Japanese, but he was a surgeon, so he was a doctor. This one I like. This is one of my favourite commemorative $1 coins, 1986. I don't see too many of them in circulation. Then you got the $2 coins. So all these ones are just the reverse design, and then you got the Cook Islands. He done a lot of coins of. Okay, so this is reeded with 4 segments, 5 grooves, and this is what it replaced the $2 banknote. And if we go down, we find the mintage figures. So 1988, 160,552,000. It's also 240,000 uncirculated coin sets, and you got proof. So it's easy to get in uncirculated grade. 1989, 31,637,000. That makes this coin pretty common. And we've got 150,000 uncirculated coin sets, and you've got proof. So that makes this coin really common, and it's going to be common for the next few thousand years. So just as Roman coins are common, these ones are actually quite common as well. Okay, so basically, these are all people just trying to defraud people, so most of them don't have any feedback. So if you see some of this, you know that person's either dumb or they are into some criminal mischief. I wouldn't be surprised if it's just some type of money laundering. Anyway, if we look at the lowest valued, so you got ones that are pretty circulated, so people try and bump off. So obviously, as you can see, 6 sold, really? Why would you buy crap like that? Not really. So anyway, you got all this stuff. So this is a common coin. My advice is, if you see a coin like that, it's worth $2 face value. That's about it. Nothing more. If you want to waste your money on something like that, then go ahead. Okay, sold items. Yeah, so you got these ones. These could have been ended. So that's what's sold. Yeah, they could have been ended by the seller and it still stays up, or they could have purchased it themselves and then cancelled the sale. But as you can see, yeah, really, what you're looking for is, so this one looks like a mint pack, sold for $12. Yeah, it's probably a little bit overpriced, I reckon. Yeah, $13 for a $2, so they took it out of the actual coin pack. This one is also from a mint set, so these ones are probably real sales because they're uncirculated. With the mintage like that, you know, it's really not gonna be worth that much. Okay, someone comes with you with $2 like that, it's only worth face value if it's circulated. Uncirculated, yeah, as we can see, $10 to $20. So be careful what you look for. And even the proof set, it's only worth $20. You're not getting that much money for a proof coin, really. Yeah, I don't think these really sold. Anyway, so, and we're going to have a look at some more examples. We have Rupert's coin from 1936. So these ones, they've had a mintage of 3 million. This one is 31 million. And these ones you can still pick up for $5. So well circulated. So just because the mintage is low doesn't mean it's worth much money. Just because someone claims it's a rare coin doesn't mean it's worth much money. Other coins I have. So this Laos 50 cent from 1952 has a mintage of, I think it's 2 million. It's 2 or 3 million. And still you can buy this for like $5. What else? Oh, now talking about coins. These coins here, these commemorative ones, they have about 300,000 to 400,000 minted. And these are so we've got the big banana, we have Tim Tams, and these sell for about $5, so really not worth much, even though the mintage is actually quite low. So mintage is not everything, it's also demand. Now, shouldn't be in demand for these. Experienced coin collectors will not buy this stuff because it's too damaged, there's too many minted, and also they know what the value of a coin is. So if you've got one of these and you think it's worth $10,000, I think you need to red hair your head to be examined and maybe go see a psychiatrist. Anyway, thank you very much. Hope this offends some people, because just remember, you have a right to be offended. Thank you and goodbye.